School of Beatbox.
Flow. Flow. Flow is your expression. It's your own language. Here's an exercise using a 4 on the floor beat. Now, 4 on the floor is a continuous kick drum that sounds like this. Now, using this beat, we're going to apply our flow. So starting with the 4 on the floor beat, we can really take it to wherever we want. Listen up. This is a beat you can really get lost in, and you can change the flavour of the sound so much. Try it out yourselves and see what you can discover.
School of Beatbox.